The International Maintenance Conference has a tradition of featuring the world's best run companies. But they weren't always the world's best run companies. When we first met them, many of them were in the same reactive mode that you find yourself in.
It took us from 2014 to 2024. That's a matter of 10 years to really turn that corner, right?
Our organization knew very little about asset management. We didn't even really know what it was.
Back then, we didn't have this. This is a great way of introducing reliability. So easy.
And if you want to know how they made that journey out of the reactive mode to the proactive mode,
we've reduced our reactive work to 3%.
IMC gives us that opportunity to continuously improve our program.
The IMC is so valuable.
They've made a big impact on our journey.
It is a great conference to go to.
It's absolutely worthwhile to attend IMC.
please join us at the International Maintenance Conference in Marco Island. We'll see you in December.